The 2023-2024 Nissan Pathfinder key fob uses a CR232 battery. This video shows you how to replace it. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver or a coin. Start by locating the small slot on the side of the key fob. Insert your tool and gently twist to separate the two halves. Remove the old CR2032 battery, noting which side is up. Insert the new battery with the positive side facing up. Snap the fob back together. Test to ensure it works by pressing Lock/Unlock panic button. This process is user-friendly and should take only a few minutes. Always use a CR2032 lithium battery for replacement to prevent compatibility issues that could cause erratic remote performance or failure to start your vehicle. Perform the replacement in a dry environment to preserve the fob's waterproof seal. Handle components carefully and avoid static electricity discharge, which could damage the circuit board. The battery typically lasts 1 to 2 years, but cold weather reduces chemical efficiency, while frequent use can drain it faster. If your key fob is under warranty, have it replaced by a Nissan-certified technician to prevent voiding the warranty. Recent Pathfinder models include app notifications via Nissan Connect to warn you of impending battery depletion, helping prevent unexpected failures. In the future, expect rechargeable or energy-harvesting key fobs that convert environmental energy into power. Phone-as-key systems using NFC or Bluetooth could eliminate batteries altogether. Always keep a spare CR2032 battery in your vehicle for emergencies, as roadside assistance for key fob issues can cost $50 to $100.